Alright guys, Paul here, back finally again with another video. It's technically not went how I planned it to go, but either way I've had a hell of a time and an amazing bash with this Kraton 8S. So as you know, guys who watch the channel, I've got the Prolock Badland MX42s on it. As you can see there, they're amazing. Got a 23 tooth pinion, I've changed the motor timing, I've done various different things to the car, but the bottom line, it's still on the stock system. And with a 23 tooth pinion in this area, climbing these hills, jumping these things, sliding around, it's been fantastic. I can't actually fault it at all. So as much as I wanted to put a Max 5 in it, I might generally go and get another RC car before I spend that kind of money on a Max 5, because the car's performing and great. So probably until that burns out, I'll keep that. So I was doing a lot of bashing off camera there. I was doing huge jumps there. A couple of them I'm surprised I didn't actually bend the car away, how high they were. But nothing's broke, well, chassis suspension wise with the car. But as you can see right now, I'm not actually walking to do a bash, I'm walking back from my bash. So I was going great, like I say, done my first set of 7,600 batteries off camera, which probably looking back I should have done more recording, but since I've not been out for a while, I just wanted to have a lot of fun with the car myself. And I've put my other pack of 5,500s in to do a video. So just as I started doing the video, got quite a few good jumps, was kind of starting to warm up to do the really big ones on camera. Had my drone ready to try and set up to get some big air time. But you can listen to this. So what's actually happened, I thought it was my centre diff, but actually isn't, is the drive shaft of the centre diff to the front end, the little spiral gear on the end of it to turn your main diff, seems to be slipping. So whether the teeth are worn or something's came off, maybe I can get away with putting a shim in there or something, but the car's definitely playing up now. So I can't really put the power down, it's just not going anywhere because it's not got the right drive. So the good thing is I don't have to carry it back because it's a long walk back up here. Been out with my daughter Lily, she's been walking too. Say hi Lily. So we've been up the top there, we've had a lot of fun and it's just been a good little morning. But yeah, I have to go home, have a look at that and see what's up. So we'll get this car back out again soon. Also in the background, since I've been busy with all the other things going on, my dad, the legend that he is, he's been rebuilding my UMG 6x6 for me. So I'm hopefully get that out soon as well on video and do some crawling and stuff. But yeah, I think before I add anything else to this Kraton 8S now, I'm going to get another car, whether it be a basher, another more scale crawler or a road RC, I'm not too sure yet. But with this better weather finally coming in here again, it's cheering my mood up, really in the mood to get more videos done and more bashing. But when it comes to bashing, obviously I've got my Kronos XTR, which is great. Middle rebuilding that just now actually. I've done a lot of rebuilds right now. But this Kraton 8S, just like being the 5th scale size in areas like this, I don't think you could top it, to be fair, because it's got enough weight to plant to really get the power down and you can send it to the moon. It's really probably my favourite, well it's only big RC I've got, but in my all round favourite cars it's definitely up there, the Kraton 8S. The only negative I think with these bigger scale cars that I find anyway is battery time's a lot less, so you have to go a lot higher milliampage to get the kind of same fun as you would with a 6 or a 4S basher. But yeah, I'll put up the footage that I do have, hopefully enjoy it. If you do, please like and subscribe and all that good stuff. More videos to come. I'll try and get back to the lives again soon. I'm maybe redoing my studio bit, so we've got loads of things going on and that's purely that and work's taking up the time from actually getting out with the cars. But yeah, I'll be back soon. Like I say, thumbs up and all that, and everybody, hope you're all doing well and see you in the next one. That was a cool.